Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage, making every drop count. First 14 to 20 questions are paragraph heading. First is paragraph A, its heading is number 11. A description of ancient water supply. Ancient time में water की supply कैसे होती थी? At the height of the Roman Empire, 9 major systems with an innovative layout of pipes and well-built sewers supplied the occupants of Rome with as much water per person as is provided in many parts of the industrial world today. Next is paragraph C. Its heading is number 7, the relevance to health. Health se related, yet there is a dark side to this picture. Despite our progress, half of the world's population still suffers, with water services inferior to those available to the ancient Greeks and Romans. आगे देखिए. Preventable water-related diseases kill an estimated 10,000 to 20,000 children every day. Next is paragraph D. Its heading is number 5, environmental effects. वातावरण पे effect. More than 20% of all freshwater fish species are now threatened or endangered because dams and water withdrawals have destroyed the free-flowing river ecosystems where they thrive. Certain irrigation practices degrade soil quality and reduce agricultural productivity. Next is paragraph A. Its heading is number 1. Scientists call for a revision of policy. Scientists ने policy को revise करने के लिए कहा है. Some water experts are now demanding that existing infrastructure be used in smarter ways rather than building new facilities, which is increasingly considered the option of last, not first resort. Next is paragraph F. Its heading is number 9, a surprising downward trend in demand for water. Water की demand में कमी आई. Fortunately and unexpectedly, the demand for water is not rising as rapidly as some predicted. As a result, the pressure to build new water infrastructure has diminished over the past 2 decades. Next is paragraph G. Its heading is number 2, an explanation for reduced water use. पानी के यूज को कैसे कम किया गया? What explains this remarkable turn of events? 2 factors. People have figured out how to use water more efficiently, and communities are rethinking their priorities for water use. Next is paragraph H. Its heading is number 10, the need to raise standards. हमें standard को raise करने की जरूरत है. Whole paragraph is talking about same. On the other hand, dams, aqueducts and other kinds of infrastructure will still have to be built, particularly in developing countries where basic human needs have not been met. But such projects must be built to higher specifications and with more accountability to local people and their environment than in the past. And even in regions where new projects seem warranted, we must find ways to meet demands with fewer resources, respecting ecological criteria and to a smaller budget. Next 21 to 26 questions are yes, no and not given. First question is, water use per person is higher in the industrial world than it was in ancient Rome. Industrial world में ancient Rome के मुकाबले per person water ज़्यादा use होता है. With an innovative layout of pipes and well-built sewers, supplied the occupants of Rome with as much water per person as is provided in many parts of the industrial world today. As much water मतलब same water, तो इसका आंसर होगा no. Next question is, feeding increasing populations is possible due primarily to improved irrigation systems. बढ़ती population को feed करने के लिए सबसे पहले irrigation systems को improve करना पड़ेगा. Food production has kept pace with soaring populations mainly because of the expansion of artificial irrigation systems. Same statement है, इसलिए इसका आंसर yes होगा. Next question is not given. Next to that is industrial growth is increasing the overall demand for water. Industrial growth की वजह से पानी की डिमांड बढ़ रही है. During the Industrial Revolution and population explosion of the 19th and 20th centuries, the demand for water rose dramatically. Overall demand of water दो वजह से बढ़ी है. एक, Industrial Revolution, दूसरा population explosion. But question में एक reason की बात हो रही है, इसलिए इसका आंसर no होगा. Next question is, modern technologies have led to reduction in domestic water consumption. Modern technologies की वजह से domestic water consumption में गिरावट आई है, but since 1980, the amount of water consumed per person has actually decreased, thanks to a range of new technologies that help to conserve water in homes and industry. Same statement की वजह से इसका आंसर yes होगा. Next is not given. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.